Hello viewers, welcome to Swift for tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe the Swift structs. So what is structs? Structs are complex data type, meaning that they are made up of multiple value. You can create an instance of struct and fill up the value. Then you can pass it around the single value in your code. For example, we will define the person struct type contain two properties, one is cloth and one another is shoes. When you define the stack, Swift make them very easy to create because it automatically generate what the called of member wise initializer. It means you can create a stack by passing initial value for the two property like this. Now we will passing the value two properties, suppose Taylor. This is the person stack and two parameter. So cloth, we set the value cloth type t t-shirt, and second shoes sneakers. This is the call stack. First on time and second time is constant. First constant is Taylor and second one is other. We can set parameter, different parameter, short skirts and shoes high heel. So once you have created instant in stack, you can read its properties by writing the name stack. If you the property you want to read, suppose we want to print the stack value, print Taylor dot cloth, Taylor dot Taylor stack dot cloth. So cloth is will be output t-shirt, Taylor dot shoes. We will get output the sneakers. Sneakers, and we find the second other other dot suppose shoes. So it will find the other dot shoes other, and shoes is we set the value is high heel. So it is the output is high heel. If you assign one stack to another, Swift copies behind the scene so that it is complete standalone duplicate the original, while it is strictly true. Swift is use technique called copy on write, which is mean only actually copy your data if you try to change it. To help you see how to stack copies work, put this code. Now we will copy the stack but Taylor, copy the Taylor stack update Taylor copy dot shows equal to flip flops. So what will be output now? Print Taylor and print Taylor Coffee. So this is Finn Taylor stack. This is Taylor main stack, and its clone is Taylor to Taylor Coffee. So what will be Taylor Coffee now? And Taylor Coffee now stack is cloth t-shirt and shoes, flip flops, shoes flip flops. So we can easily copy one stack to another. Now we will discuss the function inside stack. Inside function inside stack, you can place function inside stack, and fact good idea to do so for all function that you read sense data inside stack. Suppose function describe print I like wearing clots cloth with interpolation stimulation shows. So we can define function inside string. Now we will call the function. Suppose print Taylor dot describe. Now we'll see the output inside stack function. So this will be Taylor dot describe function. When we will call this method from inside the stack, this will print I like wearing clothes with shoes. The cloth is t-shirt and shoe is sneakers. It's taking time to run playground. So this is stack today I have described. Thank you so much.